Hey, it's Brett Winterble. I'm here for lesson number 2, day number 2 at the Glock store. Gonna have a great time learning some new stuff. Mark Larson, he ain't got nothing on me. I'm gonna win this thing. And I want you to come here September 21st. Come on out, spend time at the Glock store, watch us shoot. Looking forward to it. I'm out of here. Matt, what are we gonna learn today? I'm ready. Yesterday, I was here at the Glock store for my first lesson. Learned holster management and had positioning and shooting. Now, today we got lesson number 2. What do we have planned here now?
All right, brother, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and touch on the basics just a little bit, and today we're gonna be doing a couple things. We're going to be learning how to move and shoot just a little bit, and we're also gonna be learning how to shoot with distance. So we're gonna bring the targets back a little bit. We're gonna teach you a little bit more about distance and accuracy shooting. So it's gonna be fun, man. Look forward to it, brother.
I'm stoked. We're gonna get started here. It's gonna be amazing. You know what? We just finished our first lesson here at the Glock store, and I gotta ask you, how'd I do?
Better than Larson.
Better than Larson. Better than Larson, everybody. Better than Larson. This is awesome. I feel so good. I'm better than Larson. How am I better than Larson?
Larson hasn't had his class yet, brother.
Okay, you know what? Come on out September 21st. You're gonna see what I've learned when I beat Mark Larson at the Glock store. Come on out to the Glock store.
I wouldn't bet against you, though.